Welcome back to another episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing well, and today's recipe is a turkey tagine. It is made with preserved lemon and olives, and it turns out absolutely delicious. I have 2 pieces of turkey breast here, like this. I have the upper part, but you can also use the lower part, no problem. For these pieces I washed them with ginger, lemon, and salt, then soaked them for half an hour. Then I washed them well and removed the pieces of fat from them. If there is anything left, remove it as well. I had half a teaspoon of ginger here, and use less salt because we are adding olives and preserved lemon. Don't add too much salt, and I have half a teaspoon of black pepper. I also have half a teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to add them like this. I have 3 cloves of garlic. If you have saffron threads, mix them with water and use that water to mix these ingredients. I'm only going to add a little here, just to give the mixture some color. Then I'm going to add a little water here. Then I'm going to stir and mix all these ingredients. Then I'm going to coat the turkey breast with this mixture. I'm going to coat them well. I'm going to cover them and leave them for 15 minutes so they absorb the chermoula. Then I'll come back to cook them, and I'll use my pot or the tagine you have available. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of Moroccan olive oil. Then I'm going to add these pieces of turkey. I'm going to brown them until they are nicely browned on both sides. After they have browned on this side, I'm going to turn them over like this. I'm going to turn them again so they brown on the other side. I'm going to let them brown again well so they absorb those spices. Now the turkey pieces are nicely browned on both sides. Now I'm going to add 1 large chopped onion. I also have 1 tablespoon of a mixture of cilantro and parsley. I'm going to mix everything together and let the onion absorb the flavors and soften. Then we'll move on to adding the water. After it has browned with the cilantro and parsley, I'm going to add boiling water. I'm going to add about 500 to 600 milliliters, which is about half a liter of water. You can add a little more if needed. That's the amount of water I'm going to add, and I used 500 milliliters. I adjusted the amount according to the tagine so it wouldn't overflow, then I'll cover it. I'm going to leave it for 1 hour and come back to you. After leaving the turkey to cook for 1 hour, I now have a handful of green olives that I washed. I also have half a preserved lemon that I cut into small pieces. Now I'm going to add them like this. That's why I told you not to add too much salt, because olives are salty and preserved lemon is also salty. I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes over low heat. Then I'll come back to you. Our tagine is ready, and here it is, perfectly cooked. The sauce has reduced, so now I'm going to turn off the heat and go fry some fries. Then we'll meet again for the final presentation. And this is the final presentation of our turkey breast dish with fries, olives, and preserved lemon. It looks like this, and it is beautifully cooked and very delicious. It is absolutely wonderful, and I hope you enjoy today's recipe and that it meets your expectations. If you make it, enjoy it, and I'll see you in a future video.